Hey friends, welcome back to Quick Bites. I'm your host, Chef Walter. In this episode, how to make simple syrup. Making simple syrup is as easy as stirring together sugar and water and then letting it do the rest of the work. You can start by combining equal parts of granulated sugar and water in a small saucepan, 1 cup each for a standard batch. Place the pan over medium heat and stir gently until the sugar dissolves completely, which should only take a few minutes. There is no need to boil the mixture vigorously. Warm it until the liquid turns clear and smooth, with no granules lingering at the bottom of the pan. And once the syrup is perfectly silky, please remove it from the heat and let it cool to room temperature before transferring it to a clean bottle or a preferred jar. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will keep up for up to a month, and it will be ready to sweeten your iced tea, cocktails, or coffee with really effortless grace. Try a 2-to-1 ratio of sugar to water for a richer syrup, or infuse the mixture with herbs, citrus zest, or spices as it cools. Vanilla beans or a cinnamon stick can also add a lovely twist. The beauty of simple syrup lies in its versatility, turning even the most stubborn sugar into a pourable, blendable delight. That is all here on Quick Bites. I'll check back with you next time.